In this video I will show you how to add very simple hotkey pop-up in Filmora9. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe. In many video editing softwares there will be an option with which you could show or hide the hotkey commands. If you are using Filmora Screen, there is an option for that. But not in Filmora9. Either you have to add a clip on top of your video or create a custom title. To add a custom title, drag and drop your clip into the timeline. Scroll to the place where you want to add your hotkey title. You can use the arrow keys to move from frame to frame. Go to Titles, under Titles choose Default Title. Double click on the title and select Advanced option. Delete the default text and add a shape. Change the default text to Ctrl. You can modify the text and shape however you want. You cannot copy paste the shape, so add one more shape. Enter the letter you want to add. To add motion, click on Ctrl and select Animation. Select the animation. Do the same for C. Once you are done, click on Save as Preset. Give it a name. Click OK to save. Your new custom title will be saved under Custom. Drag and change the duration. Add the custom title one more time. Double click on the title and change the text to V. Watch the preview and fine tune the timing. Let's add one more hotkey title. Drag and drop the title. Double click on the title. Change the text to A. That is all for this video. This was very simple. You can use royalty-free image of buttons instead of shape and text. If you learned something from this, please like this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe and click on the notification button to get more videos like this.